Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Gift Guru. I am Gigi, the Gift Guru. If you are new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back. Now, while doing research for other videos, I always find other personalized stuff that I just fall in love with. So this is where this video was made. This is the top 5 gifts on what to get a person that is expecting. Now, before you get on me, yes, I know I have made this video before. If you haven't checked it out, please go and check that video out. That was actually published back in late March. That is one of my very first videos. I'm still super proud of that video. And the difference, I know you're like, what's going on? The difference between this video and that video is going to have totally different things than this video. So I advise you to check out both. There are some great gifts in both of these videos. But hold up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below how many children you have. I have none. And I have to set this disclaimer. I'm not expecting. I have to keep saying this to people because people are definitely, especially the people that's close to me, yeah, they want me to have a kid. Not yet. Disclaimer, not yet, not pregnant, okay? Comment down below how many children you have. I do have one nephew. He is 2 and he is precious and I love him so much, okay? So we about to sit back, relax, and you know we about to get on to this. These first sets of gifts are what I am going to call baby basics. They may not be customized, but they are definitely essential for a newborn or a new set of parents. Now, having a baby, you're going to have a whole bunch of little things that you're going to need to take care of, such as when the baby's nose start leaking, or when they have a stuffy nose, or when their nails start growing. And of course, the baby has to get fed. This baby basics kit is the perfect accessory with this nursing pillow. Not only will you be comfortable, but your baby will be comfortable as well. Of course, I didn't forget about Dad. Get Dad this hoodie that has enough pockets to cover everything he needs. Now, one thing that I have to bring back from my first baby video, and if you haven't checked that out, please go and check it out. There are going to be gifts that are different from this video to that video. So go check it out if you want even more gifts or items. However, this is the one item that is always going to be needed, and that is a diaper bag. They have diaper bags that actually stretch out and contain the changing pad for when you are on the go. And of course, there are plenty of stylish personalized diaper bags that come in every color of the rainbow. Now, of course, you're going to need something to put in the diaper bag, and why not let it be the diaper? Get the expected parent a whole diaper cake to help them with those long nights. To help keep your baby nice and warm, how about a personalized baby swaddle? I feel like these are always so cute to put the baby in, and they look like a little bundle of joy wrapped inside. To make your baby look extra special, any time of the day, there are plenty of swaddles with their name written all over it, whether they are asleep or when they are woke. We all know babies don't stay asleep for too long, especially as they continue to grow. Don't let your baby crawl on the hard floor. Instead, get this plush PlayMat. There's even a PlayMat that converts to a comfortable cart cover on those days when you need to take the baby shopping with you. Between all the naps and playing, babies can still get a little fussy. Keep your fussy baby entertained and calm with these plush and colorful blankies. There's even a blankie that you can attach the pacifier to so that it can easily be found. It is exciting to welcome a new member into the family, whether they are blood related or not. Some things that you can do is actually create a diaper cake. Now, there are 2 links in the description box along with all of the links to these products down below. So don't worry, there are instructions. Also, what you can do, which a lot of mothers sometimes don't say, is don't immediately ask to hold the baby. Especially now with COVID running around, mothers are very protective of their newborns. So it's hard, I heard now, to let people go all up close to the baby because you don't know what people have. And don't immediately come over as soon as the mother and baby get home. That is special bonding time for the parents. I'm definitely going to implement this rule when I do have a kid. I don't want, people coming over immediately. Believe me, between all the crying and sleepless nights, I'm going to want people to come over eventually. Now, for new parents and mommies and daddies out there, what you can do, once the baby get a little, older, do some tummy time. Help improve those muscles. Or if you are having trouble, moms out there breastfeeding, there are plenty of breastfeeding groups that are available to help you. Just enjoy the time that you have with your loved ones. Remember, giving a gift is more than just opening up your wallet. It is opening up your heart. Be safe out there. Sending you all my love. Gigi out. If you are looking for even more cute baby stuff for a christening or baptism, look no further. I have just what you need in this next video, and they're affordable.